In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost productivity with Notion tips. First, open your browser and head over to Notion.com. On the home page, look for the login button and click it. To make sign-in quick, choose the Google option, then select your Google account to continue. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. To start building a simple productivity system, create a new page, click Add a Page, then give it a clear title. Something like Productivity Hub works well because it tells you exactly what lives here. With the page created, click in the empty space beneath the title to start adding content. Type the command /database. This brings up Notion's database menu, which is the foundation of a task tracker. Select Database. Inline so the table appears right inside your page rather than as a separate full-page view. You'll see a starter table with a name column. Click that column header and rename it to Task. This makes it obvious that every row represents a single task. Next, click the plus sign to add a property and choose Status. This gives you an at-a-glance view of what's not started, in progress, or done. Add another property by clicking plus again, select Text, and rename it to Priority. Use this to note things like high, medium, or low so you always know what deserves attention first. Add one more property, click plus, choose Date, and use it for due dates. Dates make scheduling, reminders, and time blocking much easier. If you need more context, repeat the same add property process to create anything essential to your workflow. A common one is area, which lets you tag whether a task is related to work, personal life, or another category. Stick to the properties you'll actually use. Too many fields can slow you down. With your structure in place, begin listing tasks directly in the table. For each one, fill out task, set a status, note the priority, pick a date, and tag the area if you added it. Be consistent with naming and dates. It makes sorting and scanning effortless. When you're done, your database will function as a clean, centralized task list. This setup boosts productivity because it captures everything in one place, gives you clear status and priority queues, and ties each task to a due date and context. Over time, you can refine labels and properties to match how you work, but this simple, focused table is all you need to get momentum today.